to the airport. Bee is buzzing on branch. Cat is climbing the chair. Dog is dancing on drum. Emo is eating an eclair. Fish is flying with fins. Goat is going to gym. Hen is hopping on the hut. Ice is ironing in igloo. Jug is jogging on Jupiter. Kid is kissing the king. Lion is led to Mars. Nest is snapping in net. Owl is opening the work. Pig is playing the piano. Cow is quilting a quilt. Rat is running on the roof. Sun is singing a song. Toy is talking to tiger. Urn is under an umbrella. Van is viewing a watcher.